Hi guys, welcome back to Reshlicious. If this is your first time here, I make cooking videos, so please hit that subscribe button and join the Reshlicious kitchen family. So today I'm sharing a recipe of my stuffed Pavbaji slider with all you beautiful people. So without wasting any time, let's get cooking. Alright, so first thing we need is Paav, melted butter, shredded garlic, coriander, and Pavbaji. You can actually even use the leftover Pavbaji. Actually, I would say it would work the best. Now let's preheat the oven at 375 degrees. While oven is preheating, we are going to cut out the top of the Paav, and instead of taking the piece out, we're actually gonna squeeze the piece in so we don't waste any bread. Alright, so let's add garlic and coriander in that melted butter and mix it well. Then we are going to apply that on the Paav. Make sure you apply it on each and every corner and top of the Paav. So that's gonna give that crispiness when we actually put that in oven. Alright, so now the oven is ready and we're gonna put this thing in the oven for 5 minutes. Alright, once that's done, let's take the Pavbaji bun out and fill that Pavbaji in those baskets or boxes, whatever you want to call it, but let's just put the Pavbaji in. Alright, once all the boxes are filled, let's put this in again in the oven for 375 degrees for 5 minutes. So let's take this out and top it off with some fresh cheese. I usually like to use Amul cheese. You can use any cheese you want. And some coriander, and voila, serve it warm and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed my stuffed Pavbaji slider recipe. I've also listed the whole recipe down below. If you enjoy my videos, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first one to know. Question of the day: what is your favorite Pavbaji spot in your city? Please comment below and I'll see you guys next week.